So very good morning to all of you. So students, we have started last time integers. In the previous class we have learned about some properties of multiplication of integers. Now today we are going to solve some examples based on multiplication of integers using that properties. Okay, so let us start our today's class. Okay, so your first example is given that multiply minus 83 into 0. So we have learned that any number multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. So here minus 83 into 0 will be 0. Okay, property any number multiplied by 0 is equal to 0, that is known as property of 0. Okay, then now next example let us see. Now here it is given that multiply 15 into minus 16. So while multiplying this one, first we will multiply the signs. Okay, now for 15 there is no sign, means here it is positive. So plus into minus will become minus, and then we have to multiply the numbers 15 into 60, so that is equals to 240. Okay, now let us look at next example. Now here again next multiplication is given, multiply minus 125 into minus 8. Now here both the numbers are having same sign. So we have learned in the previous class, when two numbers having same sign are multiplied, we write plus sign in their multiplication. Okay, and then now we will multiply this 125 with this 8. Okay, so 125 into 8 is equal to 1000. Okay, then let us move towards the next example. Now till this example we were dealing with only two numbers. Okay, now suppose if there are more than two numbers multiplying each other, just like here it is given that multiply 3 into 6 into minus 9. So in such type of examples we have to start grouping the numbers or pairing the numbers. Okay, so let us see its solution. Okay, now first we'll multiply this 3 into 6 with each other, keeping this minus 9 alone. Okay, so when you are multiplying 3 into 6, check the signs, both are having same sign, means in our answer plus sign will be there. Then multiply 3 into 6, so that will be equals to 18. Okay, then now 18 into, now our next number as it is, okay, minus 9 equals to, now here it can be seen that sign of 18 is plus, 9 is minus, so opposite signs are multiplying each other. When two opposite signs are multiplying each other, we write answer as minus. Okay, now we will multiply the numbers, so 18 nines are, so that is 162. Okay, so this is our answer. Let us move towards next example. Now our next example is multiply 5 into minus 12 into minus 13. Okay, now you can make this calculation easy as per your own convenience. Okay, so now here again three numbers are multiplying each other, so we can pair the numbers. Now this time we will pair these both negative numbers together. Okay, so solution equals to, now we will keep this 5 alone as it is, so I am underlining it only. So we will keep this 5 into, now we will multiply the signs of these two numbers, so minus into minus will become plus, and 12 into 13 is how much, that is 156. Okay, no need of writing this plus sign over here, because if no sign is there, then also it indicates that it is a positive number. Okay, now look at the signs of these two numbers. So both the numbers are having positive signs, so our answer will be also positive. Same signs are there, means our answer will be positive. Now next we have to multiply this 156 with this 5. So 156 into 5, that is 780. Is it clear? Then now next example let us see. Now here in this example we are having three negative numbers multiplying each other. Okay, so again same method we will follow. Now since each of them are having minus sign, we can pair any two numbers together. So now I am pairing this minus 3 into minus 5. We'll solve first keeping this minus 7 alone. Okay, so solution equals to, okay. Now since we have formed this pair, so we will multiply these signs first. So minus into minus will become plus, then now 3 into 5, that is 15, multiplied by minus 7, okay. If you want, you can write it in bracket. Now what we will do, we'll multiply again these signs. So plus into minus will become minus, and then 15 sevens are, so it is 105. So this is our answer. Is it clear? Then now next one. Now here it can be seen that these two numbers minus 20 and minus 5 are having same sign. 6 is having positive sign. Now no need to every time group in the given order only. In multiplication we can change the position of numbers. That is the first property which we have learned. Second property which we have learned, commutative property, okay. In commutative property we have learned that during multiplication, even if we change the position of the number, the answer remains same. So here also, as per our convenience, we can move this one, okay, and try to find the answer as per our convenience, okay. So now solution equals to, I will bring this minus 5 over here, okay. So what we will get, minus 20 into minus 5 into 6. What we have done, we have done rearrangement, okay, equals to, now these both numbers are having same sign, this will keep alone. Now minus into minus, so that we have learned as plus, and 20 into 5, so it is 100 into 6. Now 6 is having no sign, so it means that it is plus. Now again plus into plus, so our answer will be plus, then 100 into 6, that is 600, okay. So this is our answer. Is it clear? Now next example. Now suppose if we have more than 3 numbers, just like I have here 4 different numbers, okay. Now we can use rearrangement property to make our calculation more easier, okay. So solution equals to, now suppose if we multiply these two first, answer will be very much bigger, but if you multiply these two first, our answer will be a little bit easy, okay. So we will make some rearrangement over here. We'll write it as minus 16 into minus 1 into 75 into minus 4. Remember that we have not changed sign of any number. Signs are same. 75 positive, minus came here, minus, this minus as it is. Just we have changed their position. Here minus 1 was present at last, we brought it on second number, okay. Now we can pair it, okay, and solve it using the pairing property. Now here minus into minus will become plus, then 16 ones are, so it is 16, then this multiplication sign will write here. Now sign of 75 is plus, so plus into minus, minus, then 75 fours are, so it is 300 equals to, now we are having two opposite sign, opposite numbers multiplying each other, okay. So now what you will do, so plus into minus will become minus, and then 16 into 3, that is 48, okay. And since here two zeros are present, so we will write here two extra zeros. So what is our answer? Minus 4800, okay. So this much is enough for today. I'll give some examples on WhatsApp. You have to solve this all examples, then we will learn our next properties. Thank you.